Hey, everyone! In this content, we'll be diving into the incredible Turkish drone, the Bayraktar TB2. We'll explore its features, a sneak peek into the technology inside, and a step-by-step breakdown of how it works. Plus, we'll uncover the engineering behind it, and finally, the game-changing laser and GPS technology. The American MQ-9 Reaper drone costs anywhere from $30 to $100 million per unit. The Russian drone? Around $20 to $50 million. But the Bayraktar TB2? It crushes the competition at just $5 million. $5 million. No wonder so many countries prefer it, not just for its affordability, but also its ease of use, design, and features. So, what exactly is the Bayraktar TB2? It's an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, with angled wings and a rear propeller, often classified as a medium-altitude long-endurance (MALE) UAV. The system consists of Bayraktar TB2 armed UAV platform, ground control station, ground data terminal, remote display terminal, advanced generator system, and trailer modules. Size and weight. Get this. The TB2 is 6.5 meters long with a 12-meter wingspan. Imagine a person standing next to it. It's huge. It weighs around 700 kilograms, plus an added 150-kilogram payload. That's pretty light for a military-armed drone. Fuselage. The fuselage? It's mostly carbon fiber composite, with machined aluminum parts at the joints. Super strong, yet lightweight. Inside, we find the power distribution system. This crucial component supplies power to all avionics, checks their status, and controls alternators and batteries. Moving on to mission control. Mission control. This is where the magic happens. Mission control handles multiple communication channels for connected avionics and ensures payload operation. The TB2's brain? The flight control system. This is the most crucial part of the UAV. And at the back, the Rotax 912 engine. Engine and performance. Surprisingly, this engine is sourced from civilian aircraft technology, a four-stroke piston engine with 4 liquid and air-cooled cylinders. It powers the drone to a maximum speed of 120 knots and an altitude of 25,000 feet. Its range? Over 150 kilometers with an endurance of 25 hours nonstop. All this power is fed by bladder tanks on the wings, made of rubber and plastic, giving them excellent resistance to extreme weather, weapons, and missiles. Now let's talk firepower. The TB2 can carry up to 4 GPS or laser-guided bombs. The MAML laser-guided bomb has a range of 15 kilometers, used against main battle tanks and heavily armored vehicles. Then there's the MAMC, a lightweight smart micro-munition with a range of 8 kilometers, providing high-precision strikes against armor and lightly armored vehicles. Targeting and strike process. So, how does the TB2 strike its targets? It follows 2 strategies. Strategy 1. Remote video terminal. A soldier near the battlefield laser designates the target. Forward base receives data and target coordinates. Ground control station, operated by a pilot, payload operator, and mission commander. They decide whether to strike or abort. Ground data terminal transmits the command. TB2 launches the GPS-guided bomb. Strategy 2. The TB2 itself identifies and designates the target. Ground control station confirms. The strike is executed. For moving targets, laser-guided bombs are preferred. The semi-active laser guidance system ensures accuracy. If the weather is bad, the MAML bomb switches to inertial mid-course navigation. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. The Bayraktar TB2, a cost-effective, powerful, and precise UAV changing modern warfare. Until next time, keep an eye on the $30 million MQ-9 Reaper, the Russian coaxial helicopter, and the American Apache helicopter. Oh. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Creative for more awesome content.